Our today's topic is on how to make your woman reach orgasm during sex. Do you know that if you stimulate the G string in your woman private part, it can give her a mind-blowing orgasm? So today's topic, I'm going to teach you practical on how to make your woman reach orgasm during sexual intercourse. So stay tuned. Please, before I continue with this topic, this video is for mature mind from the age of 18 and above. Thank you. Yeah. So before we start this topic, let's know what is orgasm is all about. Orgasm simply means when you reach to your climax, to your peak, the height of it when you're having sexual intercourse, you're really enjoying it and you really get to the peak. That seconds, that moment that your leg, your hand is shaking, that nobody can call you back, that it means you've reached your orgasm. So that is simply the meaning of orgasm. We've talked about orgasm, we've known the definition of orgasm. So for you to stroke the G spot for your woman to reach to her orgasm, so you have to know the meaning of G spot. So G spot is located in the vagina at the anterior upper wall of the vagina. If you go inside the vagina, maybe with your finger, you go at the anterior part, you will feel a spongy area, just like puff spongy area around the anterior part. That is what is called the G spot. So what are the techniques for G spot stroking? Number one techniques, and the very important one is called come here motion. Like come here motion. Let's just use this in like practical. When you get inside your woman private part with your finger, ensure you cut your finger so that you will not wound her. So when you get there, you use your finger, scroll down inside the vagina like this, like come here motion. You when you locate the G spot, you scroll from up down like this, scrolling up down. This can give your partner the excitement she wants. It can stimulate your partner to reach her orgasm. And do it slowly, faster. When you do that, it brings blood flow to that area, which triggers her to reach her orgasm. So number two point is what is called draw out method. Draw out method is just you use either one of your finger or two of your finger, get inside the vagina, locate the G spot, tap on that G spot, draw it out in, pull down, pull in again, keep drawing it out. All these things are the techniques that can make her reach her orgasm, that can stimulate her to reach her orgasm. Another method is side by side method. What do I mean by side by side method? Side by side methods, there is another spot that's called urethral spot by the side. For instance, let's just say that G spot is located at, if we are using word clock, let's just say this is 12 o'clock, this is 11, and this is 1. So the urethral spot is located at 11 and 1. So the G spot is now located at 12. So when you're doing side to side stroking techniques, you stroke side to side, stroke side to side, stroke faster, steadily. So it can also stimulate your woman to reach her orgasm. Another one is doing it cycle. Doing it cycle is also techniques that can make her reach her orgasm. When you locate the G spot, you can use your finger to be circulating within that G spot area, so it can also make her to reach her orgasm. And number 5 point is pressure pause. Pressure pause, in this place, you put your finger there in a particular place. When you put your finger in that particular G spot, when you locate it, ensure you locate the G spot very well. When you locate it, you press it. That is the pressure. You give that G spot a pressure, massage it, massage the G spot, keep massaging it, keep massaging it. You keep massaging it. You can do it fast, you can do it slowly, you can do it. You can also trigger her to reach her orgasm. Another point is tapping pause. Tapping pause is just like um you tap. When you go in like this, you tap it, like you're tapping it, pa, 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 pa. You're just tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. You can also stimulate her to release. The another point is pressure point vibration. In this place, this pressure point vibration, this is the one that can make her to feel it more than the other techniques. This pressure point, when you get to you use this your two finger, get to the G spot location. When you locate the G spot, you now use your arm. It has to do with your whole arm, like this. Your whole arm has to be involved, your strength muscle arm. You create the vibration there, like you create the vibration very fast, doing it very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast. So that's when with that stimulation, she can also reach her orgasm. So another point is two finger draw. This two finger draw, just put your two finger, you draw it, you go back, you draw it, you go back, you draw it, you go back. Slowly put finger down between the G spot, you put your finger down between the G spot. Another one is sunshine method. This sunshine method, your finger engages up and down, releasing your finger up and down, release your finger up and down. This sunshine method has to go together with vibration method, like pressure point vibration method. Then when you put your finger, then you release it up and down, release it up and down, you draw back, you now use vibration again, vibration point again. This can lead to the number 10 point, that your woman can now square. It means when she square, it now means that she has reached to her orgasm, and she will feel satisfied and comfortable about the whole process. I hope you've learned a lot from these techniques. Like I said earlier, please, it's for matured mind, it's not for kids, it's for age of 18 and above. Thank you for watching this video. If you see this video very educative and you learn something, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, like, comment, and drop your question. And turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first person to see the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.